I've been on numerous group rides since I've been riding a motorcycle. And let me tell you, I've made some embarrassing mistakes. But through these experiences, I've learned some valuable lessons that I want to share with you guys. So in this video, I'm going to give you some tips for riding your motorcycle in a group. Now let's hop into it. The first thing that you want to do before you even meet up with the group is make sure you fill up your gas tank. There's always that one person that forgets.
Hey y'all, before we hit the road, I'm gonna have to stop and get some gas.
Oh, come on, Chuck, what the f? The group that you're riding with doesn't want to leave and then have to hit the gas station 2 minutes into the ride. Trust me, this will definitely irritate the other riders in the group. After you've made sure that your gas tank's full, my second tip is to be on time. In fact, I suggest being a few minutes early. This way you can chat with the other riders and get the final details of the ride. Nobody wants to sit around waiting for you when it's a beautiful day outside. They just want to get out and ride.
Hello?
Chuck, where the heck you at? You were supposed to be here at 9.
Yeah, I'm almost there. I got caught in traffic.
Great, your gas tank's full and you're on time. Now for my third tip. Make sure you're familiar with the route, the stops, and the communication method for the ride. Typically, the leader of the group ride will conduct a meeting before you hit the road explaining all the details of the trip. This is another reason why being on time is important. You don't want to miss this, so make sure you pay attention and ask questions if anything's unclear. There's no shame in asking questions. It's crucial you understand all the details of the trip to keep yourself and the other riders safe. On to my next tip. Maintain proper spacing. While it is important to stay close to the other riders, just don't get too close. Typically in group rides, you'll be riding in a staggered formation. Make sure to keep about 2 seconds between yourself and the rider directly in front of you and about 1 second between yourself and the rider beside you. By maintaining this space, this will give you enough time to react if there's a hazard in the road or you have to stop suddenly. Additionally, this will ensure no gaps form so another vehicle can't cut into the group. Side note, don't try to be cool and ride side by side with another rider, especially if you don't know the person. Countless times, I've had riders that I don't know come up next to me and ride. This is dangerous because you have no idea what the other rider's skill level is. Also, if you need to swerve, you won't have the room to do so. Up next, don't feed into reckless riding. It can be tempting to mess around and show off while riding in a group, but it's important to resist this temptation. This is definitely the time... Oh God. This is definitely not the time to be doing this. Not only are you putting yourself at risk, but you're also jeopardizing the safety and well-being of the entire group. This will definitely increase the chances of an accident, not to mention you're probably going to upset the other riders. Just take a look at this video.
Well, fellas, you can count me out of this one. You guys are way too crazy for me.
If you ever find yourself in a situation during the group ride that you're uncomfortable, it's probably best to leave. Your safety is always more important. Do you have any other tips for group rides? If you do, let me know down in the comments. For some more motorcycle tips, check out this playlist right here. As always, this is Jogo with Jogo Motorcycle Adventures. Until next time, ride on.